Okay, Aniket ji, we got the parcel finally. It's here. This looks like, I hope this is the seal that you had put yourself. The parcel looks fine, covered from all sides. So let's go ahead and neatly open it up. There you go. Part one open. Okay, I'm going through this. There we go. Nicely packed. It's got thermocol on two sides. And let's pull this guy out slowly. And opening this one. So there's the beautiful F3 body. So that's the whole body. Looks pretty tattered in terms of the box, but I don't know if that's the design that the box came in back then. Maybe it is because it's all golden, but a little paint is on and off here. Let's go ahead and get him out of the box. Box is nice and neat. It's got the high eye point written here. And let's go ahead and see what's in it. Manual. Neatly maintained manual. Oh, looks really new. And it's one heck of a beast. Quite a heavy camera. There's a few scuff marks here. I hope this came up, but otherwise the body looks like it's in good mint condition. It's definitely nice. This looks fine too. A few small marks on the mirror, but looks okay. This has never been removed, I guess. Comes with this, everything looks neat. So high point viewfinder, so smells of an old camera, but definitely looks very mint. Here it is.